Hi and welcome to Pavement Layers. What's a lead? If someone calls your office or calls you on your phone or however you take a lead from a customer, that is a job that you currently don't have that you have to look at. So at your office level, everyone in your office can answer the phone. Maybe today they write it on a piece of paper. Today they're going to click on leads and simply click and add a lead. You can maybe ask, where did the lead come from? It was a cold call. Here's the status of the lead. They're all default to working. And when we put the company name in, if the member of is currently in our database, it shows up. It automatically defaults to the due date, which is 2 days from today. Repeat, it's automatically due 2 days from today, unless you change it. And all you have to do is simply click here, and this bid is due on the 29th. You can also assign it to who on your team will receive the lead. If it goes to Mike Barrett, we're going to send it to him. And you'll see what happens. It instantly sends an email, plus we have all tracking. So we have the company information. Now let's come down to the project info. If it's different, fill in all the yellow boxes. For this example, we're going to identify it's the same. This is a test project. The contact name is John Doe. And while on the phone with them, they identified to us that they want to do some repair. They also have some seal coating, crack sealing, and line striping they like to have done, as well as some area of paving. In the notes section, we could put important notes in here, such as call 1 hour prior to showing up, and things of that nature. And then once we click Add Lead, you'll see that we're instantly going to receive an email in reference to this person. I'm going to open up my email now. And you'll now see that I just received an email. So I'm an employee here saying, great news, Michael. You received a great lead that was assigned to you. And it gives us all information. So we can tap a button, make a phone call to the person. It gives us driving directions if we tap this, if you're on an iPhone or an Android. And it gives us the section here with notes saying call 1 hour prior to showing. So that's an instantaneous thing that happens with an email sent to you from your office telling you about the lead. Well, here's what else it does. It instantly will show us that we have a lead here for Jones Lang LaSalle. It's a platinum rating, and it gives us all the information here, and it's tracked. So when I go out to the project and look at this job, I now will take the lead and I can convert it to a proposal. And also here under actions, we can edit the lead, delete the lead, and view lead notes. We can come in here and add anything else we wanted to. The notes section is identified relative to the lead. So when you go out to your dashboard page, everything will show up on your dashboard as well with the lead. You'll see Jones Lang LaSalle. You're working it. It's test project. You'll see who the contact is that we're meeting and his phone number. And you're also going to see the date it is due. You're going to go to your lead page to be able to sort by due dates and things of that nature. So what's really interesting is once we go to this job and we can look here and see, wow, we have a lot of stale leads going back to January and February. What's really interesting is when I convert this lead to a proposal, it's a super simple process. It's a test project. We have the name, information, and we click continue. We create a proposal. It's a really, really amazing process. But the beauty of it is, if you have many salespeople at any point in time, you can go out and say, let's do an export of the lead data we have. Let's click none. And we're interested in when was the lead created, when was it converted to a proposal, and how many days did it take to convert. I'd like to know who was the company we gave the proposal to, and what was the project name. Now we could quickly get a listing here to say, we know that when we convert a lead to a proposal quickly, wow, we close on those jobs. When we don't, we tend to have an issue. Now you can easily see how we can export it that you see the creative date, and this is the one we just did right here for Jones Lang LaSalle, the test project, that it was created on the 25th, converted on the 25th, took 1 day to convert. Here's a project for C.B. Richard Ellis that took 17 days to convert. And you're going to notice here, this is just leads. Eventually, we're going to have a report that's going to show you the created date, the converted date, how many days did it take to convert, and what's the status of the proposal. Is it won? Is it lost? Is it canceled? Things of that nature, to really show you and your team how and why it's so important to have a great lead system. So now at any point in time when you go to different parts of the country or city, or wherever you're located, you can sort all of your leads by zip code right here. If you want to go to a certain part of town and hit all the 45202s, you got it. And you know how to save time and how to save money. So this is a really neat tool that's happening with leads. Here's a final thing I want to show you. If you notice here, the status of a lead when I go to edit is working, waiting for a sub number, or the lead is canceled. It doesn't show here if it was converted. Converted is an automatic process. Let me show you how we see all of the leads that were also converted. This shows us right here, show all leads. You're going to notice everything in color shows a converted lead. Okay, so that's a neat way to do it. And remember, the bottom right corner here, you can look at all of your leads and see more things that were converted. This one here was canceled, and these were converted. So we've really made this super simple and easy for you, where we can show all leads. The default view, just to make it easier for you, doesn't show the converted ones because those go into a proposal. Thanks and have a great day. Hope this helps out, and stay tuned for more improvements. Thank you.